Your hands, the powerful tools of the body. Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at a very important part of our body, our hands. Not only are they crucial for day-to-day activities, but they're also packed with vocabulary that's essential for your English language journey. So, let's dive right in. The hand is composed of many different parts. At the very end of your arm, you'll find your wrist, which connects your hand to your forearm. Your hand itself is made up of two major parts, the palm and the back of the hand. When you're giving someone a high five, you're using the palm of your hand. And if you're looking at your knuckles, you're looking at the back of your hand. Next up, let's talk about our fingers. We have 5 fingers on each hand. These are the thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Your thumb is unique as it's positioned differently and has a wider range of movement compared to the other 4 fingers. Remember, your little finger is also commonly called your pinky. Each finger, except the thumb, has 3 parts or joints. Starting from the base of the finger, these are the proximal phalanx, the middle phalanx, and the distal phalanx. The thumb only has 2, the proximal and distal phalanx. The areas where these parts join together and allow your fingers to bend are called knuckles. You have 3 knuckles on each of your fingers, and 2 on your thumb. Hands are not just for picking things up. They're also used in communication, especially in English. We use them to wave hello or goodbye, to shake hands when we meet someone new, or to clap when we're enjoying a performance. Remember, the word hand can also be used as a verb, meaning to give or pass something to someone. For example, you might hand a book to your friend. And there we go. We've covered the basic vocabulary associated with hands. These words will not only help you to describe your hands and their movements, but also to understand and use English more fluently. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll have these words at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us in this video, and remember, the world is at your fingertips when you're learning English. See you in the next lesson.